Navori QL lets users access detailed analytics reports that show when content has been played and various other statistics. To access the reporting window, click the Analytics tab at the top of the player window. Next, select the players to include in your report. You can select players individually by checking their status boxes, or you can right-click on any group name and select All to include all their players. The higher in the hierarchy you select, the more players will be included. The Analytics window is split up in two areas. At the top, you'll find a series of filters you can apply to narrow down your results. The lower area will show your search results in a table. You can specify the number of days to report on from the pull-down list, or you can specify a start and end date. You can enter a search criteria, such as a specific content name, tag, or ad reference. You can aggregate your results based on group or subgroup. When the Played in Full option is selected, only content that has played from beginning to end will be included. Any content that was cut off before its end will be excluded from the results. Selecting the Date Group option will produce results where similar records are grouped together, regardless of the date for the period selected. Note that only the reporting period is mandatory. If you don't enter any filters, all the content played for the selected players will be retrieved. To generate a new report, click Search. The results will be shown in the table below. Reports can be exported out of the system as Excel files. Simply click the Export button to save your file. Reports include the following columns: the group name, the player name, the date of the event, the content name, the content's screen position, the playback height and width in pixels. For example, a screen position of 0, 0 and a size of 1920 by 1080 indicate the content played full screen at a full HD resolution in landscape orientation. Any other screen coordinates indicate the content played in a template zone. The number of impressions shows how many times the content was shown. The duration of the content is in the next column. The total playback duration based on the number of impressions is next. And the tag and ad reference columns will display any metadata that was assigned to the content. You can reorder the results by clicking on any of the column titles. Clicking a second time will reverse the order. This concludes our review of the Analytics report. Be sure to visit www.navori.com for more information.